Today, we're going to talk about how to manage a parking lot and parking guidance system using Hikvision's HikCentral Professional. This video will cover three basic areas: vehicle management, parking lot management, and parking guidance management. We recommend you start by launching the Setup Wizard to begin the configuration process on the web client. Review the steps and select the one you need to guide you through configuration. If you do not need to enroll and/or manage vehicle lists, you can skip to Part 2, Parking Lot Management. Let's start with vehicle management first to enroll some plate numbers. Step 1. Click Add Vehicles to manage a vehicle list and vehicle number. Let's add a list first. For example, it's called Hikvision Staff, and you can choose to set a list color or effective period for the vehicles in the list. Next, we can add a plate number. Choose Add to add a plate number one by one. Input plate number and choose the list where it should be included. If you have enrolled personal information in the system, you can obtain the vehicle owner's name and their ID card number by clicking on Person List. Now, they can swipe their card to open the barrier. We also provide a batch operation to import several plate numbers at once. First, download the template and edit the vehicle information, such as plate number, owner, etc. Second, upload the template and you will get vehicle information. Alright, that's how we manage a vehicle list. Let's move on to Step 2, Adding Devices. Follow the wizard once again and add the capture unit first. The page will jump to Resource Management and you can finish adding devices on this page. Click Add, then enter the camera's basic information and resource information. For Ampro cameras, please configure the camera in License Details so that it will function correctly as a capture unit. If you have deployed a door station, please go to Video Intercom device to add it. Alright, that's the device we need. Now let's talk about how to manage the parking lot. Click Create Parking Lot and add the relative information such as number of entrances and exits, capacity, and so on. Click Settings to edit entry and exit rules for the parking lot. Click Edit to set the entry and exit modes for the parking lot. For example, you set rules like no repeated entry or license plate and card must match. You can also set entry and exit modes for temporary vehicles, registered vehicles, or visitors, which can, for example, open a barrier manually or automatically. Click the lane name to go to Setting with lanes, for example, Edit Lane Name. Click the plus sign to set the rules for entrances and exits. If you have deployed a capture unit and door station, please choose one to link with your entrance also. Select the cameras if you have any installed nearby. Click Add to finish and click the plus sign to go to the settings for exits, and the steps are the same with the entrance settings. Click the plus sign to select settings for more pairs of entrances and exits. Now let's see how the entrance and exit works with the rules. First, registered vehicles, plate numbers, captured images, and other information will be displayed. If you have temporary vehicles not allowed to enter, you can click the live video to check those details. After talking with the driver, you can manually open the barrier. Alright, that's how we manage the parking lot and entrances and exits. Now let's go on to the parking guidance management. First, please go to the Resource Management to add devices. Choose the right device type. Here, for example, let's add an indoor screen. Type the device information and choose the right device model to finish adding it. And let's go on to adding a guidance terminal. Click Add and type the device information. Add resources to HikCentral Professional and click Add to finish. Now let's continue following the wizard to complete the parking guidance system. Click Add Floor and the page will guide you to the configuration page. Set the floor name and read the configuration steps. And then relay the guidance terminal and screen to floor B1. Click Next to upload a map image. Click Add Parking Space to put the space on the map. Edit parking space number, for example, and we will start from number 1. Click Size to adjust icon size. Click Batch Add to add more parking spaces. Draw a line and set the parking spaces numbers and auto-sort type. You will get more parking spaces set. If you need to adjust the space location in Batch, please click Batch Select and horizontal or vertical alignment to set. Click Next to go on with screen marking. Put the screen on the map and choose the right direction for parking spaces. For example, we can choose the relayed parking space at the right direction. After you select the spaces for the direction, you will also check numbers displayed with direction. Go to Settings by clicking Next to configure a parking space type. Click the space icon to define the type as General, Allowed, Forbidden, etc. After Settings, you will see spaces with different colors for overview. Alright, that's the configuration part. Now let's see how the parking guidance helps in an actual parking lot. With parking guidance, driver will find a parking space much more quickly using the indicator. You can check the space changes in parking space overview. Click the icon to check space status and the vacant or occupied duration. At the top of the page, you can check vacant and occupied numbers displayed. We also provide statistics and reports for more detailed information. For example, real-time parking space calculation, occupation rates, parking space type, and a parking duration distribution can all be calculated, which helps our customers make operational analysis. Alright, that's all for parking lot. If you want to try these new features but do not have HikCentral Professional server at the moment, please try our HikCentral Professional online demo. Just visit HikCentral Professional module on the Hikvision website. The page will guide you through an experience on the web client of HikCentral Professional and provide you with a free trial license. Click the online demo. Enter the demo username and password displayed to log in to the web client. Click on Get Free License and you will see a trial license provided. Just a few simple clicks and you'll get a free 90-day license with a full module. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more videos. HikCentral Professional Versatile Security in one platform.